When the toilet paper shortages first hit as part of the scare for COVID, I bought a bidet to hook onto my toilet. I still use toilet paper to blow my nose and for occasional cleaning up of stuff, but I almost never use it. And instead, what I do is I use the bidet. Let's see if I can make it come just a little bit because I don't have a second hand. But anyway, the bidet, the way it works is you turn this valve and water comes out. And you turn it one way and it sprays mostly forward. And you turn it the other way and it sprays mostly up. It sprays a lot harder than that, but if I spray it much harder, it's going to get all over the place. And I didn't bring a tripod or I could actually demonstrate. But anyway, when you're sitting on it, you turn it and it sprays either straight up into one of your body's orifices, or it sprays a little bit further forward into, if you have it, the other one of your body's orifices. And it's actually very easy to connect. There's this pipe that comes from the water supply, cold water supply, and normally goes straight into the toilet bowl. And there's a new valve or a splitter that goes there, which gives you the choice. Well, it goes to both the toilet bowl and the bidet. And that's all there is to it. So it's very easy to install. And when I leave this apartment, I will take it with me and install it in my trailer, which will be a little more involved because it doesn't have all the same valves and everything. But it is hard for me to believe that Americans do not know about bidets, because as soon as you learn about a bidet, you will never again want to use toilet paper. There's no need to touch yourself. When I sit on the toilet, I touch this valve right here to turn it on and to turn it off, and that's it. I don't touch my body any other place. So, very clean. You should get one. There are a whole bunch of choices. They don't cost very much. There are heated ones if you're a fancy person who likes to have heated ones, but you get used to the cold fairly quickly. It is cold, and it is quite cold initially, but after doing it a few times, it leaves you so much cleaner than toilet paper does, with so little effort. It's impossible to believe that everybody doesn't use bidets every day.